ever pondered on the multitude of digital threats lurking in the unseen corners of the internet? Well, it's time to dive deep into the world of information security threats and explore how they can wreak havoc on your precious data. Buckle up, because this is going to be a thrilling ride. First stop, malware. Picture an unseen entity that sneaks into your system, silently corrupting or stealing your data. That's malware for you. It's a catch-all term for various malicious software, including viruses, worms, trojans, and spyware. Each one has a unique modus operandi. Some create chaos by deleting files, others by copying themselves onto other systems. Then there are those that spy on you, recording your keystrokes and stealing your passwords. The harm? It can range from an annoying pop-up to a compromised bank account. Next, let's navigate the murky waters of phishing. This is a sneaky tactic employed by cybercriminals to trick you into giving out your personal information. They lure you in with a seemingly authentic email or text message, pretending to be from a trusted source. Click on the link and boom, you've just handed over your sensitive data. Phishing can not only lead to identity theft, but can also cause financial loss. Finally, we arrive at the ominous ransomware. This is a type of malicious software designed to block access to a computer system until a sum of money is paid. Imagine being locked out of your own house and then being asked to pay a ransom to get back in. Scary, isn't it? The damage can be enormous, from losing important files to halting business operations. So what have we learned today? We've delved into the sinister world of malware, understanding how it can silently infiltrate your system and corrupt or steal your data. We've navigated the deceptive waters of phishing, where cybercriminals trick you into handing over your personal information. And finally, we've faced the terror of ransomware, a digital hostage situation that can lock you out of your own system. Remember, in this digital age, knowledge is your best defense. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and most importantly, stay safe. The digital world is a fascinating place, but like any journey, it is not without its perils. So, tread carefully, and you can navigate through these threats with ease and confidence. Now that we've outlined the threats, it's time to discuss setting up defenses. There are various software and systems available that can help detect and prevent these threats. Antivirus software, for instance, can act as a shield against malware, while email filters can serve as your first line of defense against phishing attempts. Regular system updates and backups aren't just routine maintenance. They are crucial measures to guard against ransomware attacks. With the right setup and a proactive approach, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to these digital threats. Remember, in the digital world, defense is as important as offense.